Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mugambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 11th August 2025, Monday, Vishwavasunama Sambalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Grishma Rudu, Adi Masam, that is Kadaka Masam, Krishna Paksham, Thidi, up to 12:13 p.m. Dudiya, then Tradiya, Monday, that is Somavasaram, Nakshatram up to 3:16 p.m. Chadayan Nakshatram, then Pururutadi. Today's Rahu Alam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yamagandam 10:30 to 12 noon. Gulegalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 5 to 5:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam for Kadagarashi. Shulam East. Prayachitam Kard. Sradha Tradiya. Om Sri Matre Namaha.